and we're here at Ultra Fog. So this is high speed, right? High pressure
right.
water system, and they have these crazy looking nozzles. And what is the rating on the high pressure? What is that?
Yeah, so the pressure of our nozzle and of our system starts from 60 to 120 bars. That depends.
So that's about 600 to 1500 psi.
Exactly.
Which is crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, Bobby, try to stop that, huh? That's awesome. And then you're mainly on marine. Is that right?
Not only, no. We work also on land, offshore, and transport. Yeah, we do also trains and tunnels. So we are...
Okay, so I'm familiar with water mist systems. And the water mist, it'll disperse. But this seems like the water will come out a lot like a sprinkler head, a traditional sprinkler head. Is that right? Or how does the water typically come out?
Yeah, the water is, you see this hose?
Yes.
So the water is coming this way with the high pressure, and it creates the fog that it extinguishes the fire really fast, really quick by cooling the place. So we use like 90% less water than a traditional sprinkler.
Right, exactly.
We are eco-friendly because we use like pure water. So this is the best you can use in fire protection. And we cover everything. We cover marine, we cover land, we cover transport, we cover offshore.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
This is something super cool. I would love to inspect a system like this. So you're worldwide?
Yeah, we work worldwide. We also have we have like our headquarters in Sweden, Poland, Italy, UK, Monaco, Monte Carlo, in USA, in Fort Lauderdale, and we have many agents like in Korea and Singapore. We have also now opened Ultra Fog India. We have our partners in Dubai, so we are like worldwide. We have many distributors, many agents, so our clients can reach us all over the world. We have our technicians that are going to inspect the system and to do the service. We also have the nozzle test tool. So this is a special device that you can test the nozzle. You can see if the nozzle is not clogged without breaking the glass bulb. You just put the nozzle here and you can test it, so you can see that the system works properly. So you don't spend money on breaking it when you test. You just need this tool that it's a patented device. Only we have this. I mean, it was created by us. Now maybe somebody else copy and have it. I don't know.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is amazing tool. Really amazing. We got also some kind of we won some contest with this tool.
So if the Coast Guard has a system on one of their boats and they need to do an inspection, only Ultra Fog technicians can come out to test it, or do you sell them
the crew. If we are talking about a vessel, for example, the crew itself can test it. So you don't need the special technicians to come on board. So you save money on the service. You just sell this tool, to the crew, to the captain,
absolutely,
and they can test by themselves. So that's amazing. You don't need to send the technicians all over the world for this kind of easy stuff that they can manage by themselves. They can test whenever they want.
I love it.
Yeah,
I'm sold. Ultra Fog. Is it ultrafog.com?
Yep, that's our website.
Man, thank you so much.
Thank you,
I appreciate it.